Alright everybody, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be talking about SCHD, known as Schwab US Dividend Equity ETF, and they're going to be traded on the NYSE ARCA. Alright, so the overview here for SCHD states that their objective is the fund's goal is to track as closely as possible before fees and expenses the total return of the Dow Jones US Dividend 100 Index. And then it goes on to list some highlights. And those start with a straightforward, low-cost fund offering potential tax efficiency. The fund can serve as part of the core or complement in a diversified portfolio. It tracks an index focused on the quality and sustainability of dividends. And lastly, invests in stocks selected for fundamental strength relative to their peers based on financial ratios. And on the right-hand side here, we can see a breakdown of the top 5 sectors in the percent of the portfolio that SCHD is made up of. And so IT, information technology, coming in at number 1 there, just over 21%. Again, financials coming in at 2, followed by consumer staples, healthcare, and industrials. And it also breaks down some of their top holdings based on specific companies as well. Some of those being Pepsi, Pfizer, Texas Instruments, Coca-Cola, Verizon, United Parcel Service, AbbVie, Cisco. So again, it's a lot of those blue chip stocks that offer a consistent dividend year over year, and are always top players in the industry. So it's cool to see the breakdown both on the side of individual companies as well as what sectors or industries that they're focusing heavily on. All right, so looking at the dividend history here, we can see that their dividend yield is right at 3.59%. Again, they're going to be quarterly dividend payers as well. Currently, SCHD is trading at $71.25. The 52-week low is $65.96, and the 52-week high is $81.01. Again, coming in a little bit over that 52-week high number. They've been trending down a little bit since the start of 2023. We are just wrapping up the end of Q1 here, so it'll be interesting to keep an eye on them and see if they can start doing a little bit better here in Q2. Different things like that, seeing how their portfolio is running those individual stocks as well as some of those sectors as well. But yeah, something to definitely keep an eye on throughout the remainder of 2023. All right, so for the final rating here for SCHD, I'd probably have to give them around a 7. I do like their diversified portfolio, as well as like a lot of the holdings that they do have. I think that the industries that they're involved in are pretty good, and especially for growth and sustainability as well. Again, SCHD, has a pretty high yield and consistent dividend growth historically, and also a low expense ratio. So it's something, to keep an eye on, especially as we're wrapping up Q1 here, going into Q2 of 2023. Seems crazy to think that we're already in the second quarter of 2023, but again, seeing, how their portfolios are doing, and if they start trending up a little bit, different things like that. But again, guys, drop a comment down below. Let me know if there's a company or an ETF that you guys want to see in a future video. Like, comment, subscribe, share the video with a friend. But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next one.